When you're heading into the outdoors, a great axe or hatchet is more than just a tool, it's an extension of your will. It can be for splitting firewood, clearing a path, or even building a shelter. But with so many options out there, how do you choose? Today, we're taking the guesswork out of it by looking at the top 10 best camping axes and hatchets for 2025. We've got everything from unbreakable modern designs to rugged, all-steel classics, and even some with built-in survival tools. Let's find the perfect axe for your next adventure. Product 1. Fiskars X7 Hatchet 14 Lightweight Wood Splitter. Kicking logs with the Fiskars X7 Hatchet, the lightweight legend for effortless epics. This 14-inch splitter chews through small to medium rounds 3x deeper per swing, thanks to perfected weight distribution that amps your power to weight ratio like a baseball bat on steroids for campsite prep or fire pit feasts. The ultra-sharp blade, ground with proprietary tech, stays razor-ready longer, while the low-friction coating slides through sap without sticking. Fibercomp handle absorbs shocks like a pro, with ergonomic curves slashing fatigue on long hikes. Insert molded head means unbreakable bonds, and it's got a lifetime warranty to back the bravado. Users love the balance for kindling quests, swing smarter, not harder. Number 2. Estwing Sportsman's Axe, the one-piece powerhouse since 1923. Forged from solid American steel, this 14-inch beast has 0 weak welds, delivering unmatched durability for chopping limbs, splitting firewood, or yanking tent stakes like a tentacled pro. The genuine leather grip, hand-sanded and lacquered, molds to your mitts for all-day control without blisters, perfect for extended bushwhacks. That 3/1/4-inch tempered edge slices clean, and the heavy-duty nylon sheath with belt loop keeps it holster-ready. Campers swear it's the indestructible icon for rugged romps, made in the USA, unbreakable USA. Number 3. Sabi Camp Hatchet, the forged fury for forest feasts. This 14-inch splitter's heat-treated high-carbon steel head powers through logs with max efficiency, while the lightweight fiberglass handle balances every bash for lightning-fast swings. Ergonomic curves and rubber inserts kill slips and vibes, with a flat-back hammer for stake driving or wildlife whacks. Anti-corrosive coating laughs at rust, and the hang hole keeps it handy. At 600 g head weight, it's a chopping champ for camp or clearings. The users dig the pro-grade punch without the poundage. Number 4. This 10-inch outdoor hatchet compact carbon conqueror. Heat-treated 45 carbon steel head endures 6-step sharpening for longevity, spray-painted against rust for wet wilderness winds. The shock-absorbing fiberglass handle grips non-slip, inseparable from the head for bend-proof brawn, ideal for kindling or multi-mall magic with its hammerback. Blade cover locks safe, and it's a breeze to hone with a stone. Hikers hail the pocket rocket power for backpack bliss, a durable, deep done. Number 5. Gerber Pack Hatchet, the EDC Edgemaster. This 9.46-inch packer rocks a 3.5-inch black oxide steel blade with tall grind for corrosion-crushing sharpness, full tang for flex-free force. Ergonomic rubber grip with finger grooves chokes up for precision prunes, and the lanyard hole plus nylon sheath pack or belt mountable screams portability. At 20.8 ounces, it's your campsite Swiss Army, a Gerber guaranteed for hunts, hikes, or hacks. Users love the detail-devouring control. Number 6. Camillus Camtrax 3-in-1, the multi-tool mauler. This 12-inch hybrid flips a 7-inch lockback titanium bonded saw for branch blitz with a Scandi grind axe edge for smooth splits. Glass-filled nylon handle orients left/right, locking fixed for fury, plus extras like bottle opener and lifetime warranty. Since 1876, Camillus crafts carbonitride tough blades perfect for high limb hacks or game shears. Versa vibe for campers craving one-tool wonders. Number 7. Intertool 15-inch Hatchet, the Balance Bruiser. 1.3-pound carbon steel head with anti-rust coating chews kindling and sticks, optimized head haft harmony multiplying swing speed. Grip textured rubber on fiberglass quells shocks and slips, red hue for visibility, hang hole for hangs. Total 2-pound package powers small round sand strain. Users praise the solid splitter value, though some note quick dulling hone often. Anti-RTOL's got your back with quick fixes. Number 8. This survival bushcraft hatchet, the tactical thrower. Narrow 20-degree profile nails, axe tossing comps, ultra sharp head blending into blacked out gear for stealthy strikes. Lightweight fiberglass handle angles for brush clearing chops, flat back hammer drives, stakes or game, sheaths ballistic nylon with loop secures or hangs easy. Multi-mode for hiking hordes or garden guards. Field tested for life, campers call it the Zombie Zapper Essential. Number 9. Work Pro Axe and Knife Combo, the Duo Dynamite. Full tang stainless blades, 10-inch axe, 13-inch knife, boast edge holding corrosion kings, black wood handles polished for palm-perfect grip. Anti-skid grooves and sheaths with loops/belts keep 'em holster handy, ergonomic for endless endurance. Garden to wilderness ready. Users love the Strength Duo for DIY or disasters. What you get: sheathed sharpness, suggestions welcome. Final 10, Lantral Survival Axe, the all-in-one arsenal. This folding tactical folds axe, hammer, saw knife, flint whistle, compass, and more into a sheath survival symphony. Steel head and aluminum bars adjust lengths for custom chops, bottle openers to glass breakers, portable for packs or preps. Hunters and hikers hail the Swiss Army swing for bushcraft bliss. Customer first fixes included. There it is, your 2025 Axe Apocalypse Arsenal. My blade boss? The Estwing for that forged for forever feel. What's your swing sweet spot? Comment, crew share, subscribe for sharp updates. Stay chopping, stay conquering, peace out.